So everyone, have you all written the 5 rules of Elon Musk?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so everyone, now what are we going to do? We all are going to discuss one rule of Elon Musk with the help of our group. So first of all, everyone, let's create 5 group in the classroom.
Yes,
Okay, from Payal to Nidhi will be in one group, and from Sheetal to Sonam will be in one group, and from Nikhil to Sahil will be in one group, and here Priya to Shilpi will be in one group, and this side Priya and Sonam will be in one group. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So you all have one rule of Elon Musk. Okay, you have rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3, rule number 4, and rule number 5. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So everyone, you people are going to think of the meaning and significance of the assigned rule. Meaning and significance. After that, everyone, you are going to demonstrate, or you are going to brainstorm that how you can give the example or the scenario that helps to illustrate your assigned rule. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you need to discuss these points in the group. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So what points we are going to discuss with the group?
Ma'am, firstly, we will discuss about meaning and significance. And then we will brainstorm examples that will show our assigned rule.
Yes.
And lastly, we will see how our rule applies to the real world of entrepreneurship.
Exactly. And now the group who will present the relevant example will be the winner. Okay, so you need to demonstrate these points with the help of scenario, and the group who will do who will give the relevant example will be the winner. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how much time do you need for this?
Ma'am, we will need 10 minutes.
Okay. Okay, everyone. Fine. You have 10 minutes. Please start discussion. Okay, everyone. Have you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we all are going to share our understanding over these rules as you people have discussed. I believe you people have done a healthy discussion over it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will start from group 1. So who would like to share in group 1? Okay. Yes, Amit, please go ahead.
Ma'am, I would like to share about a business idea that we discussed about. So in our area, there is no garment shop.
Okay. First of all, please read your rule.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, our rule is work hard every waking hour. So for this, we have discussed that whatever business ideas we had. So I had the idea of opening a garment shop.
Wow.
And Priya had an idea about opening a restaurant. So we were discussing about strategies are different things, but we have to work hard for our goal. So how we will work hard if we want to open a restaurant? Then firstly we need a place where we can open our restaurant. For that we would require some investment.
Okay.
And for that investment also, we would require investors. So we were thinking about how we will work hard. So we have made some points for that. And for my garment shop also, we have thought about some points of in which direction we can work hard to get our business started.
Very nice, Amit. You have shared wonderfully. Now let's clap for.
Did you say Amit?
Yes. Let's clap for Amit, everyone. And the first group. Now let's listen to the group 2. So who would like to share in group 2? Okay. Yes, Priya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, our rule is the right product. So the right product is whatever business is not present in the market area. So in our market area, there are no restaurants for fast food. So if we open a fast food chain in an area which is filled with hostels, where a lot of hostel students can eat momos, chow mein, or any tasty fast food item, so
Okay.
I think that will be the right product for that area.
Very unique idea. You have explained it very nicely. Let's clap for her, everyone. Okay, now let's listen to group 3. Who would like to share in group 3? Okay, yes, Sheetal, please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, our rule is hire great people. Ma'am, we have discussed that starting a business is different, but if we don't have a team of people who are great at their job, for example, if we don't have a management team or a team that can advertise us,
Yes.
so these are great people who are very excellent at their jobs. So that would become difficult task for one person to manage all the things. So we have to keep this in mind that we have to find great people to do their jobs separately so that they can excel at their fields.
Excellent, excellent. And let's clap for her, everyone. Okay, now let's listen to the fourth group. Who would like to share in fourth group? Okay. Yes, Monica, please go ahead.
Ma'am, our rule is signal over noise. So the meaning is that we have to spend on things that will make our product or our business better.
Yes.
So a lot of people make mistake of spending money in wrong direction or investing money in a wrong direction. So if we have a business, for example, if we have a sweet shop or a restaurant that serves only sweets, so rather than spending on interior or anything that is not actually necessary, we would spend our money on making the sweets quality better.
Yes.
For example, getting good grade quality milk or good dry fruits
Yes,
or anything that would make the product better
exactly.
and the services better for the customers and not any unnecessary thing.
Exactly. And now let's clap for her first. Now, lastly, let's listen to the group, fifth group. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, our rule is take risk no. And the meaning is that we have to take risks before we have any family responsibilities.
Yes.
As we all know that after a certain age, everyone gets responsibilities for their families and from their families. So at a very young age, if we have an idea, so
Yes.
we should try incorporating that idea into a business. If we have any intellect, we should make it into a capital. So we have thought about a lot of ideas because we are also very young.
Okay.
So I think this advice is a very good advice for all of us.
Very nice. Let's clap for her, everyone. Now, everyone, as you people have discussed 5 very important and I would say wonderful points by Elon Musk, and he has incorporated in his life. That's why he is very successful, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, everyone, thank you so much for sharing your wonderful points. And now, as per your responses, I have selected the group who is winner for this round. So that can somebody guess which group is that? Yes.
Ma'am, I think the winner will be second group.
Okay. So you are very close.
Ma'am, third group.
Okay, let me reveal it, everyone. So it is none other than it's a first group.
Okay.
So let's clap for first group, everyone. They have given the relevant example with the nice explanation, or I would say fabulous explanation. Thank you so much, everyone.